हाय एवरीवन, दिस इज़ नीति। एक बहुत ही छोटी सी और प्यारी सी टिप लेके आई हूँ आज आपके लिए। जब एज वुमेन ऑफ द हाउस वी एंटर द किचन इन द मॉर्निंग, व्हाट डू वी डू? द फर्स्ट थिंग, we clean the slab once again, no matter how clean it is. We sweep the hob again. So you're physically trying to clean up the kitchen. What about the energy of the kitchen? Do you cleanse the energy of the kitchen each day, so that whatever you're cooking is cooked with good energy and the energy is pure? If not, then what do? Take a piece of camphor, take 2 cloves, and burn that every day to clear the vibe of the kitchen and your home, and the home that you'll delve in will become much happier. It'll clear off any negative energy in your house. Be blessed.